What is up, folks? How's it going? This is Watch. Hope you guys are all doing well. So for a while now, I've been trying to upgrade my product review desk with one that has adjustable motors. I've been using an old-fashioned kind of fold-up table, and it's time to upgrade. Now, if you remember a while back in the summer of 2018, we actually built our own DIY desk for our main PC rig in the office. I wanted something for the studio, and this time around, I wanted an easy, quick solution that was more turnkey than building something myself. Luckily, Anthro Desk reached out to me and wanted me to test out their sit-stand single motor configuration desk that you see right over here. And essentially with this motorized frame, it can accommodate desktop sizes from 48 inches wide up to 60 inches wide. You can even go a little bit wider since you can overhang the desk by a few inches. It does have to be minimum 30 inches in terms of depth. Now, even though they recommend that this can support up to 100 kilograms or 220 pounds, I would not recommend maxing out this single motor configuration with that type of payload. You probably want to go dual motor configuration, but most people's desk top setup is usually around 100 pounds or less, so it's fine for 99% of people out there. And for me specifically, using it as a product review desk is absolutely perfect, especially for my overhead shots, since now I have the flexibility to raise and lower the desk to my desired height and get that perfect overview shot right above the camera. Now, the installation process is pretty simple and straightforward. It only took me about 15 minutes to fully assemble the frame and attach the desktop surface. You can use a wide variety of different desktop surfaces. I'm just using a cheaper particle board one, but you can use natural wood, and Anthro Desk also supplies the desktop surfaces if you do want an all-in-one system directly from them. Now, we are also located in Canada, so being a Canadian company was definitely a nice perk in terms of having it shipped very fast, and their customer support system is #1 rated in this category. The motor controller is actually very similar to most of the other motorized desk systems that you're going to come across out there. So you have 4 different memory presets for your specific heights that you prescribe, as well as fine-tuned manual adjustments using the up and down arrows. Now, the motor itself is using a telescoping mechanism to raise and lower the frame, and it's super quiet. One of the benefits of a single motor system is the fact that it's going to be slightly quieter than a dual motor system if that's important to you. Now, if you're going to use this desk in a primarily standing mode, and if you are going to be standing for a prolonged period of time, it's always nice to have something like an anti-fatigue mat. Anthro Desk also provides this. You see a lot of people who are up on their feet all day in a stationary position have these mats under their feet. The external housing is made out of polyurethane construction, so it's fairly durable. So great if you're wearing shoes, socks, or barefoot. Inside the mat is comprised of a ergo foam core for maximum comfort, and it should help eliminate fatigue and any kind of pain that you might encounter when standing in a stationary manner for a prolonged period of time. You should be probably taking a break every couple of hours or so, but this just helps you to stand in one place at a longer time, especially if you have like a hard concrete or laminate floor that you're standing on. So definitely something worth investing if you're going to use a stand-up desk. But besides those things, guys, that's really it. Huge shout out to Anthro Desk for making this video possible. Now, we're still in the process of upgrading our studio setup, but this is a great foundation for this process. And I want to again thank you guys so much for continuing to watch our videos, supporting our channel, and if you haven't done so, please give us a like and make sure you have post notifications turned on so that way you can see our videos once they become available. And if you want to check out the products that we talked about, check out the links in the description down below. We'll see you later, and thanks again.